Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious coleslaw with red cabbage. This vibrant dish is perfect for any meal, offering a delightful crunch and tangy flavor. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients, including a crisp red cabbage, sweet carrots, and a Granny Smith apple for a hint of tartness. Then, we'll prepare a simple yet flavorful dressing that brings everything together beautifully. Get ready to create a side dish that will impress everyone. First, let's get our vegetables ready. Take one small head of red cabbage and finely shred it using a mandolin or a sharp knife. Next, grate 2 medium carrots and 1 crisp apple. This adds sweetness and texture. For the dressing, whisk together 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A pinch of black pepper is also a great addition. Now it's time to bring all these wonderful flavors together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your finely shredded red cabbage, grated carrots, and apple. Pour the creamy dressing you just prepared over the vegetable mixture. Gently toss everything until all the ingredients are thoroughly and evenly coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld and the cabbage to soften slightly. Your delicious red cabbage coleslaw is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it chilled as a refreshing side dish alongside grilled meats, sandwiches, or anything you like. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or chives. The vibrant colors and crisp texture make it a fantastic addition to any meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen adventures. Enjoy your homemade coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.